bird. The reason why he's angry is because this pretty little bird is out of her cage without him. See, cockatiels can be low birds too. See, watch. They're brother and sister, by the way. See, calms down and watch. Come on, Pep Pep. She's saying, no way! Come on. Come on. Come on. Go away. Watch. Take her away. I'm gonna cover her up so he doesn't see her. Yeah, she's gone. What are you gonna do? Yes, my bird freaks out very badly when he does not see his sister. Watch, I'm introducing her again. See, he calms down. Okay, Pip, you're not gonna fly. And watch. I open the cage. She naturally just goes in. You okay? And watch. This is, oh, by the way, that's Buddy, Boy, and that's Pepper. See, watch. This is really funny. See, watch. Try to split him apart. He'll attack you, by the way. He's a very mean bird. And it's the family! Oh, she runs away. You're running away? Well, that's all for my weird, funny video of my bird.